It's a guitar.
Yes, it does.
Look, that's the end, and that's like.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Guessing time. Now. Benny said it first.
Wait, what?
Benny said it first, guys. Okay, so Benny gets the point. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guess is not yet when the time is up. Guess is not now. Not now. Now. Centipede.
Running. No. Spider. No. An ant. No. And then a microphone.
You serious?
So because everyone's guessed incorrectly, let's see what it is.
The strings. No, guys, don't criticize him. I know, but we're just telling the truth. Keep it in your head.
Zoe, he's 5 years old. That actually looks like an accurate guitar.
Yeah, but I don't really see it. It looks beautiful.
Guessing time. Now, to me put your pen down.
No.
My pen.
Ball. No. Basketball.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No.
Wait, let David see.
I can't tell. Have you seen it, Kevin?
David and Zoe still have a guess. Okay, Zoe have a guess.
Basketball. No.
3 people said that. Benny's, have you guessed?
No.
Benny's, have you guessed? Okay, so no one could guess it correct. What was it? It was golf.
Oh my god!
Wow! Atini gets the card. Now it's Benny's turn.
What?
Is this your card? Okay, so Benny's will be the last.
Yeah, no.
Who can guess what Benny's drawing is right there?
Tiger. Oh my gosh, I know what that
Guess
is.
wasted.
Stop taking my cards.
Okay.
A caterpillar. Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was a skip of a toilet.
No! No!
I think it is a... elephant. No.
Okay, tell me where you have
It doesn't have a trunk.
Where's the
final guess of the
ears?
video. What do you think?
And where's the trunk?
I think this is... Can I have some? A... No.
Okay, so because no one could guess Bernice's,
What did you say?
no one could guess Bernice's card. She gets the card. Bernice, what was it?
There was a turtle.
So everyone counts up their cards.
Wait, well, we may have 4.
Okay, so now it's a tie between Bernice and Timmy.
Does everybody have more than 4? No, I have 2.
So Bernice and Timmy. They won. Okay.
Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that like. Let's begin.
Bye.